Hello kids! Today we will learn how to tell time on an analog clock. First, look at the long hand. It is called the minute hand. When the long hand points to 12, it means 0 minutes or o'clock. Next, look at the short hand. It is called the hour hand. The number the short hand points to tells us the hour. For example, if the short hand points to 3 and the long hand points to 12, the time is 3 o'clock or 3 o'clock. If the short hand points to 5 and the long hand points to 12, the time is 5 o'clock. So remember this easy rule. Long hand on 12 means o'clock. Look at the short hand to know the hour. Let's practice together and become time-telling stars. Kids, we will also learn how to tell time when the clock shows 30 minutes, also called half past. First, look at the long hand, also called the minute hand. When the long hand points to 6, it means 30 minutes have passed. Next, look at the short hand, also called the hour hand. The short hand will be between two numbers because it is halfway through the hour.
For example, if the short hand is between 3 and 4 and the long hand is on 6, the time is 3:30. We say half past 3. If the short hand is between 1 and 2, the time is 1:30. We say half past 1. So remember this easy rule. Long hand on 6 means 30 minutes. Look at the short hand to find the hour. Let's practice together. When the long hand is on 6, we write 30 and say half past the hour.